Hello friends, here on this video how you can solve your automatic brightness on your mobile phone. So friends, before we solve this automatic brightness on your mobile phone settings, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. uh Move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down. You can search your auto brightness or you just keep scrolling. Then here you have to move on display and brightness. From here you can scroll on the down. Here you have activate this auto brightness. That's why your brightness is automatically used to up and down. Okay, if you activate this one, see, I will activate this one, then my brightness will increase. If I off this one, it will not increase. Okay, this will not increase. And suppose I hide my mobile phone and I turn on it, also it increase because I am now in sunlight. That's why. Okay, see, it's increase and it will decrease or not. Let's check it. It's decreasing. See, you can find this is automatically brightness, and now it will increase because you activate this auto brightness. Okay, you can turn it off by just clicking on this icon. So friends, here is about the automatic brightness on your mobile phone. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.